Make a great choice today with the 2021 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.